Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is malady. It is pronounced ma-la-D, and it is spelt M-A-L-A-D-Y. Think ma and then lady. Malady means a disease or ailment. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about a medical condition or illness. For example, you could say he was suffering from a rare malady, or the malady spread quickly through the village. The word malady comes from the Latin word maladia, which means disease. Can you think of any characters with a malady in a TV show or film? How about Sleeping Beauty or the prince in Beauty and the Beast? Both are cursed with a malady. One is destined to sleep for 100 years, and the other is turned into a hideous beast. Synonyms for malady include disease, ailment, sickness, and disorder. Antonyms for malady are health and wellness. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, malady. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.